5 best business finance software tools in 2026. Now, managing business finances without the right software means spending hours on tasks that should take minutes. Manually reconciling bank transactions, chasing outstanding invoices, trying to understand your cash position from a spreadsheet that is 3 weeks out of date. Most small business owners know their finances are important. Most of them also know their current approach to managing those finances is not working as well as it should. Now, the 5 tools in this video are best business finance software options available in 2026. Each one evaluated on what it does best, who it's designed for, and what it actually costs. So by the end, you will know which one fits your business the best. Now, business finance software has consolidated into a few clear tiers. At the top are full featured accounting platforms that handle literally everything from bookkeeping to tax preparation. Below that are more focused tools that handle specific financial functions, invoicing, expense management, cash flow forecasting extremely well without trying to do everything. The right choice is going to depend on the complexity of your finance, the size of your team, and how much you are willing to pay. So, all 5 tools I'm covering have meaningful AI features in them in 2026. And in 2026, not as marketing additions, but as genuinely useful capabilities that reduce manual work and improve financial visibility. Now, I'll be specific about AI features that actually matter versus which ones are more cosmetic. So, first and foremost, we're going to take ourselves over to QuickBooks. Now, QuickBooks Online is the most widely used small business accounting platform in the United States, and its dominance comes from genuine capability rather than just market inertia. It handles the full accounting workflow, bank feed import and categorization, invoicing with online payment processing, expense tracking with receipt capture, payroll through QuickBooks, and financial reporting, including profit and loss. You also have balance sheet and cash flow statements. Now, the AI features in the current version that actually matter are automatic transaction categorization, which learn from your corrections and become more accurate over time. And you also have the cash flow planner, which forecasts your general working, and the whole tracking is done through it as so. Now, plans are going to go ahead and start at $30 a month for simple start tier and scale over to $90 per month for plus, which adds a lot of inventory tracking and project profitability. Most service businesses are well served by the Essentials plan at $60 per month, which adds bill management and support for 3 users. Now, the next software that we're going to be talking about is called Xero. Now, Xero is the strongest alternative to QuickBooks. Now, it is good for QuickBooks for small businesses, and it's the better choice for businesses with international operations or teams that are going to need more than one user on the base plan. Now, unlike QuickBooks, Xero's base plan is going to include unlimited users, which makes it significantly more cost effective for small teams that all need accounting access. Now, Xero's interface, as you can clearly see, is very clean, very straightforward, and it works really well to the eye. It has a pretty small learning curve. It doesn't have a lot of fisticuffs to go ahead. And basically what happens in all of this is you can go ahead and treat it as a proper anomaly for your alternative on QuickBooks. Okay, Xero's reporting is pretty solid, but slightly less comprehensive than QuickBooks for US-based tax preparation specifically. Now, it's much better for your tracking and complex payrolls, and QuickBooks has a slight edge. And for businesses with simpler US tax situations or with international dimensions, Xero is often the better fit. The plans start at $13 a month for the early tier, scaling to $65 a month for the established tier. So moving on, we're going to talk about the next product, and that is called FreshBooks.com. Now, FreshBooks is designed specifically for service businesses and freelancers. Its invoicing and time tracking capabilities are stronger than both QuickBooks and Xero for this use case, and its interface is significantly more approachable for non accountants. So, if your business bills clients by project or by hour, FreshBooks' project based billing workflow is more natural than adapting a general accounting platform to that use case. The standout AI feature in FreshBooks is its invoice follow-up automation. It basically tracks which invoices are approaching due or are overdue and sends automated customizable reminders on a schedule you set. Now, for service businesses where late payment is a persistent cash flow challenge, this automated follow-up significantly reduces the time spent on collections without actually requiring manual tracking. FreshBooks also has strong client portal functionality where clients can view their invoices, make payments, and access project updates through a branded client portal, which is a more professional experience than sending standalone PDF invoices. Now, plans are going to start at $17 a month and scale based on the number of active clients. Moving on, we have another great platform, which is called Wave. Now, Wave is the strongest free option in business finance software, and free means genuinely free for the core accounting and invoicing feature. Okay. Now, Wave is going to go ahead and give you a proper financial outlook on things. The trade-off for the free pricing is fewer AI features and less automational depth than paid platforms. Now, Wave doesn't have the automatic bank categorization of learning, but Wave is also the easiest platform to get started with. The interface is quite clean and approachable, the setup process is quick, and the core features are immediately accessible without a complex onboarding process. Now, our final and fifth tool is called Float. Okay. Now, Float is a specialized cash flow forecasting tool that rather than a full accounting platform, it is the best option for businesses that have actually got a proper, financial stability. Float connects to QuickBooks, Xero, or FreshBooks and builds a dynamic cash flow forecast that updates automatically as your actual income and expenses change. The forecast interface shows your projected cash position day by day, week by week, and month by month with proper scenarios. Now, for businesses where cash flow management is a strategic concern rather than just a bookkeeping function, scaling businesses and businesses with lumpy income, businesses carrying inventory, this is perfect. So the 5 best business finance tools in 2026 serve different, and it depends on you on which one you choose to work with. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.